What's up everyone? Welcome to our lesson, the multimedia overview. So let's now take a look what is multimedia. So from the word itself, the multimedia, the multi means many, multiple, or more than one. And the media means the medium of communication. So that's the word coming from. Definition of multimedia. Multimedia has been used in many aspects in our lives. For example, in the field of business, entertainment, and the science. Multimedia comes from the word multi and media. So multi means various, many, multiple, or more than one. And the media refers to any hardware or software used for communicating. It is a delivery medium, a form of mass communication. Multimedia is media and content that uses a combination of different content forms. Multimedia is usually recorded and played, displayed, or accessed by information content processing devices, such as computerized and electronic devices. Multimedia is the field concerned with the computer computer controlled integration of text, graphics, drawings, still and moving images, the video, animation, audio, interactivity, content forms, and any other media where every type of information can be represented, stored, transmitted, and processed digitally. Thus, the meaning of multimedia has changed as technology advances in our lives. So, the radio is for audio only. The television consists of text, graphic, audio, video, and animation. And after the television, we have the computer. So the computer consists of text, graphic, audio, video, animation, and interactivity. So there are some of examples of hardware and software that we use in communicating with others. So the first is animation. The PDA, printer, CD, CPU, text, and audio. So there are examples of hardware that we use in multimedia. So we have the television, radio, computer, and mobile phone. The examples of softwares are the email, the Yahoo Messenger, the MMS, the video conferencing, or others are the Facebook, Skype, and so on.